Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access Settings. Now scroll down and click on Notifications under Apps. Then you need to click on App Settings. Tap on Most Recent over here and select one of those options. Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps or Turned Off. I will go with All Apps. Then click on the sweater next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from. I will go with Assistant. So now, as you can see, all notifications from Assistant are blocked. If you wish to enable them, you need to tap on the same sweater. But you can always just click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications by tapping on this sweater next to all Assistant notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!